Kimzey, the executive director and founder of Writing Workshops. Let me ask you a question. Do you remember the first short story, poem, personal essay, or screenplay that you finished? Or are you still in the stage where you're trying to finish something? Well, I am showing you the screen of the first story I ever finished. The first short story I ever finished is called The Subdivision. I opened up this draft. The date was September 18th, 2007. So that's 13 years ago. Now, prior to writing this story, I had only ever had starts, little vignettes of short stories. I never actually got to the end. I never survived the first draft. And then I signed up for this local introduction to fiction workshop at the local community college here in Dallas, Brookhaven College. And in that class, I got a mentor, I got some friends around the table to read my story, but most importantly, I got deadlines. And so for the very first time ever, let's scroll down to this very first story I ever wrote. Something transformative happened. I made it to page 13. I'd never been this far. I got to the end with this, I don't think, a very good final line. It says, Ross tousled Neil's hair, but I'd never written a final line before. I'd never written the end, and that was transformative. Like I said, that was 13 years ago. I've written a bunch of short stories, written a novel, screenplay, and I'm still just going. I'm always writing the next thing. And so if you're at the start of your journey or the middle, or you're looking to get an agent, or whatever the next step is for you, maybe there's a class for you at Writing Workshops. Why don't you go to our website, writingworkshops.com. If you find an online class that you like, just enter discount code THANKS at checkout for 20% off, and let us help you get to the end.